This is a quick look at how we can use custom tags in OneNote. As we know already, we find the tags in the home panel of OneNote, and in this case we're using OneNote 2016. If we drop down the list, these are the default tags, and there's quite a broad set and lots of ways that you can use these tags in your existing OneNote content. But you might have some further need for tags that is outside of this default set. And that's what this tutorial is going to look at. So here I've got an article which could symbolize any OneNote page that you have. Wherever we move our cursor, you'll notice that the arrow to the left, this arrow here, moves up and down. And this follows the basic paragraph formatting of all OneNote pages. This arrow is useful because it indicates where the tags will be applied. So if I click into this paragraph and I apply the important tag to it, you'll notice that where that side arrow is, we now have the important tag assigned to it. Quickly recapping our last video, if I then go into the Find Tags panel, I can see that the important tag has appeared in our tag summary panel here, and I'll close that. Let's now add a new custom tag. So to do this, we expand the tag panel and we go down to Customize Tags. We click on New Tag, and I'm going to set up, for an example, a Term 2 revision tag. We can choose symbols, so I might choose a number 2, since that matches Term 2 revision. And we can change the font color of the paragraphs and even add highlight colors. But in this instance, I'm simply going to use a colored number 2 symbol. So I'll hit OK. You'll notice that the custom tags, they usually appear at the top of the list above the default ones. So what I can do now is hit OK. You can see our Term 2 revision tag has been added to the top. And so I can say, okay, this is a useful topic. As our Term 2 revision, I can also jump into other pages, and I can say that this is also a Term 2 revision item. Jumping down to here, another example of a Term 2 revision tag. So I've gone through this section, and don't forget you can also add this tag anywhere in OneNote, so you can go into any of your other notebooks, sections and pages and apply the same tag as well. So we've added 3 of those Term 2 revision tags. Let's now go into the Find Tags option, and you can see that the 3 here have been listed in our tag summary. So I can click on each of them and you'll notice that it jumps straight to the paragraph and straight to that tag. And as our OneNote notebooks get more complex, the use of tags becomes much more important, especially if we're trying to keep our students organized. At the bottom, I've chosen that my search range is across all notebooks. If I've got lots of notebooks open, you might want to just limit that search to this notebook. It doesn't change our Term 2 revision tags because, of course, they're in the same notebook. But if they were across notebooks, then obviously the tag summary would change. So that's a very quick look at how we can use the custom tags to help our students with revision.